Thank you guys for clicking on this video and welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see a room makeover for our 2-year-old. She is a lover of purple, so we changed the walls out from a gray color to a purple color, and we replaced the carpet as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video.
Still on caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. You will see that this is the final result, a cute little purple room for our 2-year-old that can grow with her as she gets older. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great one.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.